I just want to take 30 more seconds and record this for 30 seconds for my attorney and everybody else on the planet.
Okay.
Ronak, you're a mortgage broker company. You're going to take $200,000 or whatever amount is from clients. That money is going to go get a documentary letter of credit from Rob's company. Documentary letter of credit gets monetized to a registered trustee that we know and we trust, Citibank or Chase Bank, like that. Couple of times, the document of credit is issued connected to corporations. So this is 100% legit. $200,000 gets a $4 million documentary of credit, gets monetized for $2 million. And then we recycle that in a legal way. That will, once we recycle it, we get to 20 million. 20 million goes to Steven, a member of the Rothschild family, into his trading platform. That goes into $100 million trade or cash that the client gets through your firm, Ronak. I'm gonna ask for permission to issue this as a 30-second video. If you guys are okay with this, to people that are
Duly
watching.
noted.
Okay, Steven, you're allowed to go. Ronak, thank you. Rob, thank you.
Thank you, Steven. Appreciate it.
Guys,
Thanks.
thank you so much. Speak to y'all soon.